guys, it's Sonia of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sitting in the studio and I'm feeling like painting a gnome. Bought myself some awesome little gnome shirts. You probably saw that on one of my travels here. I always let myself be inspired by what's around me. And so today I'm just drawn to feel like I should paint some gnomes. So the object I'm gonna paint on today is actually this just junk frame and insert. By insert, I mean it's a cardboard insert and it just pops out of the back just like this. Guys, for this project, I'm gonna stir up my mouse in the house, Teal River today. And I'm gonna pull out my antique lace. I think that's gonna be a really cute color combo. I also just pulled out a little bit of our black velvet as well, and just a paintbrush because I love to paint shabby. I love to paint imperfectly perfect. And I also like to sketch it out very, very loosely before I begin to fill in all the colors. You guys know what happens around these parts. We put on some good music and we get going and we transform this into something whimsical and shabby. Are you ready? I think it's awesome that you can use our Junk Monkey paint not only to paint your furniture, but to paint some really cute, shabby, whimsical decor, whatever your style is, to perfectly match it. And yes, because the consistency of our paint, the way it's made, you are able to pick it up on a palette knife. Quick tip for you guys. I put my tray over here, my palette tray, on this side, but I'm actually right-handed, so I keep having to bring my palette knife across my project. You know what? In a perfect world, this is actually on this side of you, so that way you're carrying it and you're not having to carry it over your project. This is all gonna be painted, so I really don't care about these pieces right here. You'll see how they go away. I think I'm going to use a little bit of my Sweet Sunset to create his nose. I forgot about his nose. The nose is what makes the gnome. For the background of this guy, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop open some of our buttercream. It's just a beautiful, beautiful buttery yellow light cream color. Oh, is he not the cutest thing ever? Okay, let's go ahead and seal this piece in. I am using my favorite poly brush. You'll find everything, all the paints that I use and the supplies I create with here in my vlog over at junkmonkeypaint.com. So this brush gives me all over coverage. Into the poly I go, and over the top. Just a nice light coat. Now while this guy is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put him to the side and put a dry brush of paint over the frame. Guys, I love how he turned out. Check him out. He is shabby, whimsical, cute. I love him so much. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, and leave me a comment below. Is he not the cutest gnome ever? And to think that junk frames can go on to be given new life so quickly, so easy. All you gotta have is supplies and the know-how. I am a daily vlogger, which means that I will be back again tomorrow with another fun video. I hope you will take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the little bell. What it does is it gives you alerts every single time there is another new fun video uploaded. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.